There's a quiet kind of beauty that only reveals itself when the world slows down. Not everything is meant to be loud or bright or demanding. Some things are designed to be discovered gently, in stillness, in silence, in the spaces we often overlook. When the noise fades, something deeper begins to rise, a sense of calm, of clarity, of presence. It's in these moments that ordinary surroundings transform into something far more meaningful. What once felt empty begins to glow with intention, with purpose, with quiet elegance. Light doesn't always need to shine at full strength to be powerful. Sometimes the softest glow carries the deepest impact. It guides, it shapes, it reveals. It turns shadows into art and darkness into a canvas where imagination can breathe freely. There's a rhythm to this kind of transformation, a balance between contrast and harmony, between what is seen and what is felt. It reminds us that beauty isn't always about more. Sometimes it's about less noise, less distraction, less rush, so that what truly matters can finally be seen. In this space, time feels different, slower, softer, more intentional. Every detail begins to matter. Every movement feels deliberate. And in that awareness, something shifts within us. We begin to notice, to appreciate, to connect. Because true luxury isn't always defined by what we add, but by what we allow ourselves to feel. It's the quiet confidence of simplicity, the richness of atmosphere, the way a space can hold emotion without ever saying a word. And maybe that's what we're all searching for in the end. Not just something beautiful to look at, but something that makes us feel something real, something that invites us to pause, to breathe, to exist fully in the moment. Because when everything else fades away, what remains is not just what we see, but what stays with us. A feeling, a memory, a sense of peace we didn't know we needed. And in that stillness, we find something rare, something timeless, something quietly extraordinary.